Thousands of Muslims across the world gathered in different mosques to celebrate the birth of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, commonly known as Maulid. Now in Mombasa, hundreds of Muslims marked the day by reciting panegyric poems in honor of the Prophet. Maulid is celebrated by Muslims during the month of Rabiul Awal, the third month of the Islamic calendar, and it is regarded as a great blessing for the whole of humanity. Muslims were urged to follow the footsteps of the Prophet Muhammad in their daily lives.